channel, The Art of Learning. I am Sweta here. Before going to start this class, I want to share something. Looking into the current scenario, the situation is very tough and we all are stressed. The surroundings around us are gloomy and dark, but we have to fight. We have to fight till the last breath of our life. Yes, it's correct. We are losing our near and dear ones, and it's not easy. It's not easy to face the situation. But once upon a time, a great man has said that the show must go on, and we have to fight and win against this situation. So there is a request from everyone: please stay at home. Don't go outside without any urgent need. Stay with your family to save their life and also yours. With the hope that we will very soon overcome with this situation, I am going to start this class. These idioms will not only help you to elevate your writing skill standard, as well as it will enhance your speaking skill. My first idiom is very important, that is beck and call. What is the meaning of beck and call? Beck and call means forcefully obey the instruction or wishes of another person. माने किसी के मर्जी को जबरदस्ती जो है मानना. ठीक है, अब हम लोग एक सेंटेंस, एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू देख लेते हैं कि बेक एंड कॉल कैसे यूज होता है. The manager has the habit of keeping everyone in his office at his beck and call. My next idiom is fits and starts. What is the meaning of fits and starts? Fits and starts means starting, stopping, not doing any work continuously. That means कि आप कोई काम शुरू कर रहे हैं, फिर उसको बंद कर रहे हैं, फिर एक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के बाद फिर उसको बीच में गैप कर दे रहे हैं और फिर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, इसको कंटिन्यू नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो एक सेंटेंस हम लोग देख लेते हैं इसको क्लियर करने के लिए. रोहन हैज़ अ टेम्पररी जॉब एट द लाइब्रेरी, so he gets his salary in fits and starts. My next idiom is part and parcel. What is the meaning of part and parcel? Part and parcel means a very important part of something. That means कि किसी भी चीज का एक बहुत ही प्रमुख हिस्सा. इसको समझने के लिए हम लोग एक सेंटेंस देख लेते हैं. The IT relaxation for senior citizens aged 75 and above is a part and parcel of 2021 budget. Next idiom is high and dry. What is the meaning of high and dry? High and dry means abandoned. That means left in a very helpless situation. मतलब किसी को बहुत ही दयनीय अवस्था में छोड़ देना. ठीक है, तो इस पे एक सेंटेंस देख लेते हैं. The drought struck African villages were in a high and dry situation. Next idiom is ifs and buts. What is the meaning of ifs and buts? Ifs and buts means गिविंग एक्सक्यूजेज और मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेज. मतलब किसी चीज को लेके बहाना बनाना. तो अब एक सेंटेंस देख लेते हैं. द चिल्ड्रन शुड सबमिट देयर प्रोजेक्ट ऑन टाइम विदाउट एनी इफ्स एंड बट्स. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest notification. I will come up with some more interesting and important idioms, so stay connected with my channel. Stay happy, stay safe, stay at home and stay tuned.